where to submit your 3 videos with the Amazon Influencer Program. A lot of people get a little bit confused. A shout out to 2 people in the comments, Jennifer as well as SNX. They seem to be a little bit curious as to where are they supposed to submit their 3 videos in order to have them reviewed for Amazon on your store, just like this. You're obviously not going to have any videos just yet. It's going to be blank. And so you got past the first stage. The second stage is to submit 3 videos, and someone from Amazon is going to review those videos. Here's where you're going to go. This is your storefront or your review page. You can go to create content, post video, and you're going to submit 3 videos. Don't do more than 3. Don't do 5. Just do 3. Do exactly what they're asking. And once you submit that, you're going to be waiting because on your store, there's going to be a blue lock. There's going to be a blue lock right here. And that means that you're not eligible yet to make on-site commissions. On-site commissions means somebody views your videos and then you get a commission. As of right now, yes, you could post as many videos as you want, but you're not going to get any commissions because you have to wait for those 3 videos to get approved. For me, it took about 6-7 days, I believe, and my videos got approved. I used products that I knew well. I had used them for a long time. I felt confident with them, and you submit them here. So that's it. You don't have to post them on a Facebook page. You don't have to post them on some random site. It's on your review page once you've already been accepted using your social media. So if you haven't even done that yet, don't worry about these 3 videos. You have to get accepted first, okay? So that's going to be step 1. But for those who are curious as to where do I submit my 3 videos, it's going to be on your review page where it says create content. You're going to submit 3 videos and you're going to wait. You're going to wait for them to review it. In the meantime, I suggest reviewing a whole bunch of other items, get a backlog, get a whole bunch of videos going so that whenever you do get accepted, boom, you can just release them and start making commissions ASAP. I hope this helps. It's just a quick video to answer that specific question. And if it helped, leave a like, hit subscribe. I'm going to be coming out with a lot more videos in the future, staying consistent. Until next time, peace out.